Hello everyone, welcome to tutorial 7b. In this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how do you change the Revit material into Lumion desired ones. So to begin with, you need to open the Lumion and create a new project. Go to plane environment. So after going into the plane environment, you need to import your Revit model. For doing so, you need to select imported model, place model and create new import. In this, you need to select the model that where your DAE file is saved. So I'll just open this up. So once after opening this, you need to simply click it and escape. And as you can see, my road is completely hidden at the moment, so that means my model has been recessed in the ground slightly. So I need to bring this up, so I'll just elevate the entire model over here. Now I need to assign the material. So to assign the material, we need to click on the material icon over here and go to the desired material where you want to make changes. So I have selected this material, and now I'll be going to outdoor and I'll be going to bricks to show some pavement sort of things. Pavements. Later I'll be changing this material. Maybe to stone or concrete, and I can change the intensity of the color over here. So I've made this changes to the entrance, as you can see over here. Now I'll be changing my wall colors. To do so, just need to click on this surface and go to outdoor, plaster and exterior walls, or maybe something bright. So as you can see over here, the color is not completely white, so I need to further change it. So I just double click it and choose color white, colorization complete. I need to set this complete over here and relief. So as you can see, if I slide this alongside the top, it will show more bump map, and this is a reflectance, glossiness of the material. And if you need to change the grains, you can change it simply. So now I'll be changing this same material. So you can even copy this material and assign it to some other place. For example, over here I'll just make a paste of the previous material. So as you can see, it's easily pasted. I'll change this color to a contrast thing, like a sort of a wooden frame structure, which can look like some sort of. And also glass material can be changed by going to outdoor, glass and glass panel over here. So you can see this has been changed, and similarly you can double click on the same icon and change the color of the glass to whatever you desire. Reflectivity can be changed, internal reflection can be changed, transparency. So now I'll be changing the brick material of this. So this is pretty much, and stone, indoor stone. Also, we have made another grass over here, but it doesn't look like a grass. So to change this, we need to go to select the grass, go to various, and you can even experiment with this sort of grass, but it won't look a real grass. So to make it look real, you need to go to new landscape, and later you need to go to landscape tab at the bottom and turn on this grass. So if you can see, this is a real grass. So in the render, it looks, it gives a good feel to it, a realistic feel. So as you can see, the grass is variable at the moment. So that's all for today. I have shown you how to change the Revit material into the Lumion. So thank you for watching this video.